All right, welcome everyone. I am Sriram Somanchi, an outreach ambassador for Informed Journal Data Science. Today I'm pretty excited about Irad Ben-Gal, who is joining us. He's a senior editor at IJDS. He is a full-time professor and head of the AI and Business Analytics Lab in the Faculty of Engineering at Tel-Aviv University. He is also a visiting professor at Stanford University, teaching Analytics in Action. Pretty exciting course for graduate students, as well as leading the Digital Life in 2030 research initiative as well. He's world-renowned expert in machine learning, predictive analytics, and with more than 20 years experience in the field, publishing more than 100 scientific papers and written 3 books and extensive work in patents, and received numerous awards for his work. So we're pretty excited that you're joining us, Irad. Thank you very much for joining us.
It's a pleasure. Thank you.
All right. So, as a senior editor for this inaugural senior editor for IJDS, what articles do you think are relevant for authors to send to the IJDS for our journal?
Well, as stated very clearly in our website, we are looking for top innovative and potentially impactful data science methodologies that are making contribution and emphasis on decision-making, either in business, management, or industrial processes, and usually are combined with real data, with a real data set or a real data use case that on one hand can represent well the problem, while on the other hand can be well generalized to answer similar type of challenges.
That's wonderful. So we have journals in engineering discipline, which is your discipline as well as methods journals in stats and CS, or operations, and as well as applied journals like information systems and operations management. Given these kinds of journals that have built their own space, how do you think authors should focus when they send papers to our journal in IJDS? Should they distinguish themselves from other journals that are already out there?
Well, so I think that those building blocks that I mentioned before are the important thing when you come to a decision whether to send it to the Informed Journal of Data Science. You know, if it's just a very good theoretical paper, but it doesn't support real decision making or doesn't come with real data, maybe a good statistical or computer science related journal will be better for you. Or if you are focused on the algorithmic part, whether, you know, computation-wise, complexity, upper and lower bounds, and so on, maybe, again, a computer science journal would be better. However, if you focus on the combination, and it's not sort of a niche development or a marginal development, then IJDS is a good option. Again, I can give you an example. We got a very good technical paper that was focused on, you know, statistical process control for a very specific process that would be very interesting for the community that work around it. And we decided that it would be better to propose the author to send it to IISc, for example, since it doesn't contain all those components that I mentioned before.
Perfect, thank you. That helps authors trying to build their papers towards it.